Welcome back to my channel. In response to quite a few requests, I'm going to show you how to make caramel apples today without using corn syrup. We are going to start by making a dry caramel. It's simple to do, but you must stir it at all times so it doesn't burn. Add 1/4 cup of sugar at a time and stir until it's dissolved. Continue adding your sugar until all the sugar is dissolved and the temperature is 155 degrees Celsius. The temperature will climb quickly with the absence of corn syrup, so be mindful of the temperature so it doesn't burn. Add 1½ cups of heavy cream a little at a time, being careful to avoid the rising steam. Add 1/2 cup of butter and bring back up to 128 degrees Celsius. Turn the burner off and add the vanilla and wait approximately 10 minutes for the caramel to cool slightly and thicken. While waiting on the caramel to thicken, we can prepare our apples. In season, I like Macintosh apples as they are really firm and crisp. Out of season, I like Granny Smith apples. Remove the wax by placing the apples in boiling water for 1 minute and then vigorously wiping the wax off. Next, place a pointed wooden stick straight down into the core of the apple. When ready, dip your prepared apples in the caramel and hold while the extra caramel falls away. After the caramel cools on the apple and comes away from your parchment paper easily, take some scissors and cut away the extra caramel. Then temper some of your favorite chocolate in a bowl and dip the apples when fully cooled. I cut up some Oreo cookies here to decorate, but use any of your favorite toppings. I also like to drizzle most of my apples as I feel it gives an elegant look to the apples. Enjoy!